Well, Dino was thinking about bringing his boat down today, but I'm not going to make it out there. It's 25-mile-an-hour gusts building up, and this mix of rain again. It's just weird. You know, it's like one little crappy rain cloud at a time. And we got another freaking hurricane coming. They don't know, what it's going to do, but it's likely to be a hurricane. Unbelievable. And it's going to come right across us. So we got a couple of good days of weather here. And then monsoon season's coming again. I'll probably have to pull the boat out again. Well, here we go again. Oh man, I can't believe this. Thank God it's not nowhere near what the last hurricane was, but it's still gonna be a freaking hurricane. Lots of wind and lots of rain. This place just barely dried up. I asked Tracy if he was taking his boat out, and he said no. But this thing is coming right at us, right across to Orlando, dead center of the cone. My biggest problem is those friggin' trees. I'm probably gonna have to back down again, get out from underneath the trees. I guess what I'll do, drag this thing up here as far up as I can get it, tire down. All right, looks like a beautiful day. A little cold front blew through, made things nice. Get the boat back where it belongs and fire it up. See if it'll fire up. Probably won't. The poor bilge pump running overtime. Man, this place is just, it doesn't end. It's a mud hole. Absolute freaking mud hole. Hope I don't get stuck. Boy, my boat looks big today. What's going on there? Look a lot bigger than it usually does. I guess because I haven't been down here. All right, she's primed up. See what happens. Keep my fingers crossed. Come on, outboard gods. Oh well, I have to go get a battery. Figure out what the easiest thing is. So here's what I decided to do. See the pelicans? They're fishing. Watch. Here he goes. Here he goes. They're scooping it out. Not scooping it out, scoping it out. There he goes. The one just dive bombed. That means the fish are feeding. Because if the pelicans are catching the bait fish, then the fish are going after the bait fish, because the fish are chasing the bait fish up towards the top. And when you see the seagulls flocking around, it's the same thing. So I'm gonna go home, get me a battery, get my tackle bixes, and a little bit more gas. And I'm gonna go fishing and say screw the rest of the day, because I've had enough. Come on, baby. A little shot. It's not bad for sitting here all this time. One star. Let her warm up a little bit. I'll even get to test out my new camera phone. So yeah, anyway, I, was making my mind up. Should I back that damn thing back down again, get out from under them trees, or what? See, same thing there. It gets rotten and rotten and rotten. Look at it. The thing looks like it's been hit by lightning a couple times. And there's the one that broke. You can see where it's rotten. Where they trimmed the branch off, coming out the bottom. There's the pelicans. Looks like they're all filled up. Right out here on Captain Mark's grassland. Alright, let's throw some bait in the water and see what happens. Boy, there he is already, man. One of them little guys again. Oh, he's not that little. I thought he was one of them little tiny. He almost that little. Alright, you. First cast, first fish. Another little one. Let's try to put another lure on, another shallow dive, and I don't want to deal with this grass. Oh good, he got off. Deal with this grass with that rattle trap. So I was watching that windy.com website. Every few hours it would update. And I said, 35, 40 mile an hour. I ain't worried about it too much. It started going up. When it was in the 50s and 60s, I said, yeah, I'm moving out of here. Just couldn't afford one of them trees to falling on me. So here we are again, baby. It's 5 o'clock Wednesday, but here's the windy.com. They've gone up 50s and 60s wind gusts, so I'm back. But this time I'm more prepared, so when I drive back across the street, all I gotta do is move my plants back and take the crap out of my shed, a few things, the scooter and stuff. So much easier. And I was talking about the trees and how they cut them and they would rot out where they cut them because they didn't paste the ends up. This thing here hit the ground the other day. About 2 feet of it was hanging out. That thing could just break, smash the van. And this was so funny. I heard the bird start chirping, and I go, what's he chirping about? So I hear the birds chirping crazy, and I look up there, and there's a hawk. He's eating something. Maybe a squirrel. Can't tell what it is. It looks like a little gray hanging out there. Hey, Hawky. Boy, he's big. Ooh, is that a squirrel or a rat? Probably a squirrel. It's hard to tell. Nothing like a hawk's ass. Boy, they like this one. The same one. I was just letting some line out and he come up and hit it. Need a chunk here. It's big enough to give you a little bit of a fight. Well, he just whacked the other lure. Man, this is great. Again, catching fish. Now, these are the same little guys I caught the last time, but they got bigger. So yeah, it was pretty crazy. I zonked out, fell asleep, woke up early like I always do. Man, that wind was flying. It was the same wind that Ian had, but it was a super light rain. It was weird. It was just like, it wasn't like, God damn, baby. Oh yeah, he's pulling, or I got heavy grass. So it's 6 o'clock. Easy morning. And we're doing wind gusts up in the 50s. And by, man, it's going to be all day, these wind gusts. So everything's looking good. You can hear the rain. It's like nothing compared to Ian, where it was just so loud in here. This is super light rain. It's almost like a sprinkle. No, it's a fish in the grass. Oh. Hey, that's the nicest one so far. Yeah, man. I'm not even keeping count here, but I think that's number 6, 5, 6. Yeah, he's nice little pretty fish. It's just nice to see and nice to know too. This lake is pretty good stocked up, like, you know. So yeah, the rain was light, fast, and crap was hitting the trailer. Everything went well through the whole night. Like I said, whoa. What was that? Just rocking there. Let's go this way. See if anything's happening this way. Man, they're hitting it. Yeah. I barely get to sit down, which is nice. Just wish they were bigger. Yeah. He long and skinny. Well, I tell you what though, these little guys are the best eating though. So yeah, the storm came through. It was pretty cool, you know. We got beat up a little bit with the wind. Thank God it didn't bring too much rain, because it was already drenched over there. It was just starting to dry up too. So I had to sit one day out, you know, wait for it. You know, it was flooded, wait for it to drain. Well, I don't see any debris laying around. Like, what the hell kept hitting this thing? I mean, bang, boom, bow. Look at nothing. Well, let's go see what's going on. I just talked to Corey. I said, did you have crap hitting your buzz? He goes, yeah, a lot. See how flooded this place is. Look how fast the water's coming down. Yeah, I can look, man, look how high the water looks. I left some extra rope in case it filled up. The boat can rise up to the occasion. Plus it rained, you know, the rain went away before the wind did. Then it rained most of the day the next day. And I mean, right into that evening, it ran, you know, windy, rainy squalls still coming through. So there's our local radar I use all the time. We're right here. Well, so far, so good. And you know, even though I'm right across the street from my lot, and I'm still in my home, you just want to go home. You know, I'm in my home, but I just want to go home. That's all I wanted to do. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. Let's go home, baby. First time, the same thing. Just get me out of here. Drive me up to that next lot. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Home, sweet home. Yeah, I'll be back to normal in no time this time. All I gotta do is put the plants back, pull everything out, shit, ready to go. Look out my window, my crap. There he is, another little one, damn. Oh, that's the littlest one. He's the littlest one. So yeah, I couldn't wait to get home. One more night, you know, slept it out across the street. Let the water drain off. And then boom, man, next day, beep, 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 beep. Well, that's pretty much it. That didn't take long at all. I'm gonna do a rinse down, get all this dirty, muddy crap off, and then run around and put my sewer line back on and plug her in, ready to go. Didn't take long at all. Man, he hit that thing 3 or 4 times. I was letting the line out, letting the line out. Oh, don't. Letting the line out, don't. Oh, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Damn, that's a nice fish. Hee. That's the biggest one today. Whoa. Yeah. That's a nice fishy. Man, he had a little weight on him. Oh, Lordy. A friggin' needlefish. I hate these guys. So I'm not counting this time, but I must have caught 15 fish again. Good God. But I can say they're bigger than they were the last time. The little ones. Even the 2 little ones I had today, 2 or 3. Man, he gobbled that baby. All right, one more time. There he is. Oh boy, he's jumping. I probably got in the way. He jumped twice. Come on, baby. Yeah, he's like that other one. Nice fish. Yeah, he's nice. Man, I'll tell you what, if now's the time, you ready for a fish fry? Jesus. At the price of fish at the friggin' grocery store, come out here, gallon of gas. These are some nice fillets. Right there. Didn't get them on the gill, got them on the skin there. Ah, ooh, got me too. Yeah, it's nice little. Man, you could have had a hell of a fish fry. All right, I gotta get out of here. Anyway, thank God, you know, this hurricane situation. And then on top of everything, this past weekend, you know, the plan was get the 35 out, get the parts on it. I've been trying to do that for weeks now. And with the phone situation, everything just ate up the whole weekend. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Just rip it across the lake and back.